Beauties, it's me, Allegra. I'm getting ready for church right now, and so I figured I would do a get ready with me for church video today. So if you're in for it, I have some new makeup to try out, so I'm super excited to give it a try. I also got a phenomenal new drugstore mascara that I'm really excited to show you, beauties. So if this is your first time here, I hope you'll subscribe and join the fam. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and follow me on Instagram. So without further ado, let's just jump right into today's video. Get ready with me for church. I have already put on my Revlon primer, which is super brightening. It fills in your pores. It's the Photoready primer that I always use, but I don't think they have it in store. You can only get it online, like on Amazon or at walmart.com. So I do have that on already, and I also did do my brows with my $1 Billion Brows Pencil, which I'm so happy I found on Amazon for only $5. So it's an amazing brow pencil. It's my #1 favorite, and I'm so happy I found it because originally I had found it in Marshall's, and you know how that is. They have it one day and you're never going to see it again. And then I looked online at other websites and it was like $30, but I found it, like I said, on Amazon, $5, and it's the best. So since I already have my, not my foundation, I have my primer on, I'm going to go ahead and jump right in. Or should I do my eyes first? Of course, I'm going to try to keep it simple because I am going to church. But you know me, I'm a little bit of a glam fanatic. So actually, maybe I will do my eyes first because I have this new palette here that I'm super excited to play with. I got this at TooFaced.com. They were having a huge 75% off sale. So I snatched up this beauty right here. It comes with all these gorgeous shadows and then blush, bronzer, and highlighter. And this was $20, I believe. Let me use this first because I'm not sure if these are going to have fallout, and then I don't want to get fallout on my face. I do kind of like a full glam for church. I do. You know, I do the fullest glam? No, but do I kind of do a lot of makeup for church? Yes, I do. And I am wearing a mask, so I really have fun playing with my eyes and doing different eye looks. So what can you do? That's me. That's how God made me, right? I've always been this way since I was a child. So I've always been obsessed with uber glam. I'm like on a timeline too, guys. I have to run because I have to leave in like a half hour, so I don't have time to play my makeup like I usually like to. So I gotta kind of hurry it up. But I'm gonna dip into these pink colors because they're so gorgeous. So this one here I'm dipping into is like a gorgeous kind of Merlot shade, and it's called Mrs. Cloth. So let me go ahead. I'm just going to tap it on the outer portion of my eye. Oh, that's so pretty. See, that's pretty dramatic too. I usually don't wear this of a dramatic look for church, but I'll just blend that out with a lighter shade. But wow, because I wasn't expecting this, because sometimes, you know, people say that TooFaced shadows aren't that great or this and the other, but this is gorgeous. I haven't purchased a TooFaced shadow in a long time. The last palette that I bought was the Pumpkin Spice palette. So anyway, now I'm just going to dip into this kind of lavender shade. It's called Sweet on Santa, because I am going to try. I'm not going to go too glam, you know, for church. But how are you guys all doing? I'm so happy, guys. I've been going to church now for a few months regularly. I go every Saturday, and I just feel so amazing. I feel so happy. In some ways, I think about my life before I went to church, and I used to always be kind of like searching, and I feel so uplifted. I feel so happy. I feel so close, just so filled with love and joy, because when you go to church and they talk about, you know, how much God loves you and all the good things that God wants for you, it just uplifts you so much. And I'm like, why didn't I do this before? I wish that I had been going like my whole life, like sooner. I haven't been going my whole adult life. So I'm so happy. I'm just filled with so much gratitude now. When I go to church, I just like I said, I'm just filled with so much gratitude, so much happiness and joy. So I really do wish, but it's fine. But I just think to myself, wow, I should have did this sooner. And everybody's so nice. And I used to always say, you know, I wish I would meet nice people. And I'm like, oh, here's all the nice people I could want for. Well, my husband does know a lot of people at the church, like a lot of his friends. My husband's friends are ushers and things like that, so that makes it easier because they're, you know, I already know people now because my husband just knew people automatically from, because he plays golf with them and things like that. So this is really unique and stunning. I was not anticipating that because, you know, a lot of people say like TooFaced is not, I don't know, you kind of think of TooFaced shadow as not the most trendiest colors, but this is so gorgeous. This is definitely like something trend, you know, something hot. Let's put it that way. It's like a hot color. It's not just your basics, because I've been using my TooFaced shadows for like kind of like my basic looks, like not that they're basic, but you know, my chocolatey browns and my everyday looks. But this is so unique and stunning, and wow, it's gorgeous. So I am gonna pop a little bit of shimmer on because I have to. These are so gorgeous. So I'm gonna try this color here, Jingleberry. So pretty. And there's only a tiny bit of flop. That's good. So this is such a gorgeous purple shade. These purple shades are so stunning. Wow. Oh my god, I love that. I'm going to take a purple liner. This is a cream gel liner from ColourPop. So this is just a purple one. And I'll just pop that in my lower waterline. I'm going to come back to finishing up the eyes in a minute, but I'm just going to put some of this on for now. This is a very soft and beautiful look. I feel like this is actually a great alternative if you're like me and you like a soft look. You know, it's glam, but it's not too much for every day. This is stunning. I think this palette is sold out though now, guys, but unfortunately. But if you see any other ones on the site, I mean, I think they're a pretty good bet. Oh my god, this is so gorgeous, guys. For church, it's not, I don't think it's too much, you know, it's soft. But I'm going to do more. But, you know, first let me just sit for a minute. I am in a hurry, guys, so I might not be able to do all that I normally like to do. But let's just go ahead and jump really quickly into using this foundation. So, oh, but you guys, I wanted to show you this. This is so phenomenal. This is the Urban Decay Hydromaniac Tinted Moisturizer. Okay, but you see, this is like a foundation. They call it tinted moisturizer, but it's like a foundation. This is so stunning. Okay, I'm gonna have to put this on because I love it, and then I'll put the foundation on top. This stuff is so this is like life-changing product, guys. It's so amazing. It gives you so much coverage, but it's a tinted moisturizer, and it gives, this color that I have here is called 40 light medium, so it gives you a little bit of warmth to your face. It kind of, you know, gives you a little bit of a warmth. It has a peachy undertone, and it's just so gorgeous. I actually wear this. My normal makeup routine I would do it now today, but I want to try out that foundation. But a tinted moisturizer like this, I've just been wearing with my concealer and a little bit of translucent powder, and it's amazing. This is so gorgeous. It feels so good on your skin. It feels so creamy, hydrating. Like I was saying, I did an Instagram kind of video reel, and this feels like a cosmetics CC cream times 20. It's just so hydrating, so creamy. It feels incredible on your skin, but it's not oily. As opposed to the It Cosmetics, it's not oily at all. It's just amazing. Like I said, I have been wearing this, so I have done a wear test with this, and I saw it didn't leave me greasy or anything like that. And normally I have been just wearing concealer with that, but for today, let me just try out this foundation really quick. This is the Revlon ColorStay. Normal to dry. They have a normal to dry version and an oily version. I'm going to try the normal to dry version because I do like a dewy finish, so I'm hoping this will give me that dewy finish that I like. So they said this is mask proof, and I am going to be wearing a mask at church, so I'll pop back in later on, guys, and let you know if it really is mask proof. But oh, that's a gorgeous. Okay, as soon as I put that on my skin, it's gorgeous. It's like water texture, water weight texture, like a Dior foundation or a Giorgio Armani foundation, which who doesn't love? That's what it feels like. It feels so water-like on my skin. Amazing. Okay, I thought that Urban Decay Tinted Moisturizer was everything, but now I'm like, oh, hold up, girl, this is amazing. This is amazing. The finish is stunning. I love a dewy finish because I feel like it looks very fresh and natural, and this has that dewy finish that I love. This is an exact, like I said, this Revlon foundation is better than high-end dupe for like a Giorgio Armani. If you like this kind of Dior serum foundations, this Revlon is better. But it feels just like this, and it gives that dewy radiance. So I'm just gonna go ahead now and put on some of this Revlon ColorStay concealer. This also feels super lightweight on my skin, has a water-like texture, which I love. It doesn't feel heavy. And then let me just go ahead and just tap this in with my brush. Oh, that's gorgeous. It just melted right into my skin. Wow, that's gorgeous. I wasn't expecting it to feel this lightweight. I really thought it was going to be heavier in texture, but it's not. It feels so water weight, light as air. So that's amazing. I'm so happy. I wasn't expecting that. So I'm just going to go ahead and set this with a little bit of translucent powder. So I'm just take my puff. This is my Mercier translucent setting powder. I'm just going to put on, now I'm going to go back into this palette that I got here. I'll just pop on some bronzer. Oh, that's dark. That is too dark, but sometimes, guys, if it's not blending good, I do this motion. It's like a zigzag, I call it. I just kind of zig and zag it and then it gets it nice and blended for you, and just kind of let it hug under your cheek like so. I gotta show you guys this kind of little trick that I've been doing lately. I put some peach blush on, so I'll just dip into this Super Shock Cheek from ColourPop, and I put this on first. So I'll start about there and then bring it to the front. And then I reach into it like a baby pink or a bright Barbie pink kind of shade, like something like this. Any one will do, you know, I think. I hope this one, I'm sure this will be good. And then, so you dip into the pink then, and then same thing, just put it a little bit higher. I start on my cheekbone, not on the center of my, not on the apple of my cheek, and it just gives you such a gorgeous wide awake kind of look. And then when there's no more blush on your brush, you just kind of blend it all in. You can go right up against your nose and blend it all in. So I'm so happy, guys. I'm just gonna finish up my eyes a bit. I'm gonna put on the mascara with you guys and a lip. Oh, I gotta put on my Allegra Teddy Beauty Mist, and I am offering a 12-piece pink brush set with your Allegra Teddy Beauty purchase right now on my website, so I'll have it linked below or right up here. This is my Clean Beauty Makeup Setting Spray. It leaves you with glowy skin, super long lasting makeup. It smells amazing. So let me go ahead and spray it. As you can see, guys, I give myself a good mist. So I'm just gonna blend out under my eyes. So I'm just gonna blend out that liner we put on earlier. So guys, I got this new mascara at the drugstore. This is the L'Oreal Air Volume Mega Mascara. So I'm gonna try this out today. It has a super huge applicator. Oh, this is really nice. This was a good purchase. I gotta tell you guys, I've been wanting to tell you, but I don't know how. I purchased, there was a L'Oreal concealer that I purchased, and I didn't really like that. So I kind of wanted to warn you guys about it because it really did not work for me. It separated on my skin. So I gotta insert a picture or something, because I actually wanted to return it, and it was like $13. So it was pretty pricey, and it just was horrible for me. It separated on my skin. And I believe it said it had hyaluronic acid in it. I don't know if you guys, I'm going to insert a picture of it, so if you guys have tried this, and let me know if you liked it. But I was literally shocked. I was so shocked at how much I didn't like it. I was like, I never had that, like a really bad experience like that. This mascara is phenomenal. I want to try the Bambi mascara from L'Oreal. Have you guys tried that? The Bambi one. So I'm just going to pop on a quick lip, and then I'm going to go out the door. I'll probably try to show you guys my OOTD. Pop on just whatever I have here. This is just a MAC Spice liner. Unfortunately, I'm going to have a mask on, so this is probably all going to come off, but it's all good. We're just having fun. Although, you know, to be mask proof, you just take your lip liner. I just wear a lip liner all over my lips, and then it doesn't come off. It doesn't transfer. So that's a really great option. Yeah, that's really pretty. and then it's not going to come off. I want to put my lip gloss on so bad, you guys, but it's not really the best idea, right? I can't help it. I love, like you guys know, now that I've gotten playing, I can't stop playing with the makeup. But I just love to put on some highlighter. Why not, right? It kind of brightens up your whole face, right? Just hug that whole area like so. That makes a really nice effect. Okay, I'm gonna just, of course, one more spray. Every time I put on the powder products, I love to go on with a spray. Okay, so now I'm gonna finish putting on my outfit. I just have on this top here. This is just a Fashion Nova. It's like a sweater dress, and I'll put on leggings and some booties and grab my purse, of course, and my coat. So I'll try to show you guys my OOTD, and I'll be back to let you know how this holds up. So this is my outfit, guys. I'm just wearing this pink coat. I got this at Marshall's, but I did see this is online, and it's on sale for like 75% off. I forgot the name of it. I think it's called Laundry, the brand. But it was originally like $3 something, and right now it's on sale. If they still have it, it was like $70. So, and then I just got on my leggings, my booties, my lace-up booties. You can't really see, but they have like the nice low heel. And this is just my little Gucci, little pink Gucci. So we're gonna head out now, guys. So I'll be back later, guys. So guys, I just got home from church and I am so in love with this foundation. It stayed so well. There really wasn't a lot of transfer on my mask, so I'm not even sure if there was any, to be honest. I don't have any marks. Usually I do have a mark from the mask, so I didn't even do anything. I didn't do touch-ups or anything, and it stayed just like this, so that is pretty amazing. And I did have a heavy-duty moisturizer on today, one that I never used before, and it was very oily and greasy, so this is pretty shocking. So without that moisturizer underneath, this is going to stay even better for you, so I can't wait to use it again. This would definitely be an everyday favorite, must-have favorite. It's phenomenal, better than high-end, so I highly recommend this Revlon ColorStay foundation. Again, I did use the normal to dry version. They do have an oily one that'll probably be less, you know, dewy. I'll try that one next time. Let me know if you guys would like to see that. But otherwise, like I said, I used the normal to dry one, Revlon ColorStay. They said it's transfer proof. I really think it is. I love this eyeshadow palette from TooFaced. They did have some other palettes still available for 75% off, just not the one that I got, but they had some other ones, I believe. I did go ahead and put some lip oil on though, but you know, whatever. But anyway, guys, thanks so much for hanging out with me today and getting ready with me for church. Let me know how you beauties are doing. If you liked today's video, I definitely hope you'll give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. So I love you beauties so much, and I will see you soon. Bye.